Here we are at Manitowoc Ice. Today I'm going to show you how to assemble the multi-mount NSF approved external scoop holder. This commercial grade scoop holder can be used with the new ergonomic plastic scoop that comes with the Manitowoc D-bin, or you can purchase the optional metal scoop with knuckle and thumb guard from your local Manitowoc dealer. One great feature about the scoop holder is that it can be configured 7 different ways, either on the right side of the bin, either horizontal or vertical, or the left side of the bin, either horizontal or vertical. Even if there isn't enough space on either side of the bin, the external scoop holder can be mounted on the wall in a horizontal or vertical position. Let's take a look and see what's in this kit. You'll find in the kit the A hanger, the B base, the C mounting plate, and the D plastic cover. The kit comes with 9 thumb screws, 1 extra, and 3 washers with 1 extra washer too. No tools are required when mounting the holder to the bin, but if you're doing a wall mount, you will need to buy the appropriate hardware to fasten it to the wall. First, decide where you're going to mount the external scoop holder. For today's application, we're going to mount it on the wall in a vertical position. Find the base B and position it to match your application. Remember, ours is the vertical mount. Identify the label, rotate it, and make sure that arrow is pointing upwards. In this wall mount application, hanger A will not be used. Now mount base B on the wall in the appropriate position. Depending on your wall material, mounting hardware may vary. In our application, we are mounting to a block wall, and we have already marked, drilled, and installed our anchors. Before we install mounting plate C and plastic cover D, using a solution of 1 ounce of Manitowoc sanitizer with 1.5 gallons of potable water, sanitize the components. After it's sanitized, we're going to be ready to install the components onto the base, which is mounted on the wall. Find the mounting plate C and attach it to the base mount B. Slide it down and attach with 2 thumb screws and washers provided to the top 2 holes. Slide the plastic cover over the top of the mounting plate. Now fasten the plastic cover to the mounting plate with the 4 thumb screws provided. And there you have it. Your external scoop holder is ready to use with the scoop that comes with your D-bin, or you can purchase it separately. You can also purchase our optional metal scoop. Either ergonomic sanitary scoop can be used with this holder.